Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the internal battery in the key fob for a Hyundai Accent. This key fob was used between 2006 and 2017, and inside we will find the CR2032 battery. Now, your key fob will probably have two buttons, but it's the same exact model and the process will be exactly the same. Inside we're going to change the battery. That's actually really inexpensive. We'll leave a link down below, so make sure you have one of those and just follow along. The first step is to locate this groove in the top of the key fob. Take something like a flathead screwdriver, insert it into that little groove, and twist. With a twisting motion you can separate the two halves of the key fob. Now be careful when you open this up. Likely the batteries are going to, the buttons are going to fall out, but I'll show you how to put it all back together. So this is where the battery is housed, and even if yours looks a little bit different, the process is the same. Take your tool, like a flathead screwdriver, and push on the bottom of the battery, letting it out through this wider area here. And you can finish it with your fingers. That's the CR2032. Again, you can find the link in the description to get one of these. And when you have your new one, simply make sure the positive side with the text is facing up and insert it the same way you took it out, and make sure it goes snugly into place. Now, imagine the whole thing came apart a little bit. You can just start with this little rubber piece. Make sure this goes into place and the circuit board on top of it, like so. And here where we have the button holes, you're just going to line them up, making sure that they're in the right place. And they will just kind of click into place, and from there, take this and place it directly on top. And everything should go right back into place. And when you close it and click it all together, you should see the light come on. The batteries should click nicely. If they don't, you're probably going to have to take it apart and make sure everything is in line the way I just showed you. But that's all it really takes to change your battery in your Hyundai Accent key fob. Thank you for watching.